Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to change the battery for Ford Expedition. For this smart kind of slim key battery, it was used from 2015 to 2017 models. So if your fob looks like this, go ahead and turn it over and you'll see there's kind of a little latch here. Go ahead and if you pull this down, that releases this internal valet key. So pull out the valet key, and our goal here is we need to be able to separate this fob. You can see this line here kind of goes all the way around. We need to pull this backing off to get access to the internal key. So what we can actually do is just take the valet key, and there's some slots for the valet key on here, and right here, and just kind of get some leverage underneath there, like so, and you can start to get some separation here, and just kind of work your way around, and you can pop off this backing. Make sure that the circuit board here doesn't that stays in place there. You don't need to change anything there. The actual battery is on this side that we just took off. So right now the negative side is facing us. To get this out, there's a little metal piece right here that kind of holds this contact in place. So make sure and don't pull that out. But if you have a small paper clip or a small flathead screwdriver, you can get in and just pop this coin battery out. So the battery that you need to change is and get a new one is a CR2032 3-volt coin battery. So once you have a new one of these, make sure that the positive side, which the positive side has a little lettering, make sure that is away from you, and the negative side is up like this, so you don't see any lettering when you put it back in. And then once you have a new battery, put that in, and then this just pops back together. So just kind of make sure that everything pops back into place. Go ahead and replace the valet key. And that's it. That's how you change the battery on Ford Expedition. And again, the battery that you need is a CR2032 3-volt. Thanks.